Hello，呢條片咧會同大家講2025年 Paper Two 嘅1C 嘅咁樣，咁就關於一條 order of reaction 嘅題目啦。咁其實你望到條題目，你都估到係問你嗰啲嘢㗎啦，咁樣。OK，咁就俾咗一堆 information 你啦，咁樣。咁我哋睇下啲 background information 先。咁首先咧就係 Y 同 OH minus之間嘅 reaction 啦，本身 Y 係 pink in colour 嘅咁樣，咁跟住然後咧，當佢哋 react 完之後咧，就會變翻做 colourless 咁樣嘅，OK，係啦，咁跟住然後就俾咗個weight equation 俾你啦，咁樣，即係其實都即係俾咗你冇俾啦，即係你應該都要係揾翻K 啊 M 啊 Y 啊嗰啲係等於乜嘢嘅，咁跟住俾咗個表俾你啦，咁就做咗3 set 嘅 experiment 啦，咁就去 determine order of reaction with respect to OH minus 嘅，咁佢咧 keep 住都係用2M 嘅 NaOH 啦，跟住又加水啦，mix 埋一齊，咁啊 with a fixed volume of 呢個嘅0.012M 嘅 Y 嘅，OK，咁所以你見到 Y 咧係一樣嘅，OK，係啦，咁然後俾咗個 initial rate of disappearance of Y 啦，因為本身係粉紅色噶嘛，咁睇下佢用幾多時間去到即係個 rate 啊咁樣，去到令到佢 disappear 嗰個 pink colour 啦，OK，係啦，咁跟住咧就問咗一啲問題啦，咁啊睇下咯喎，suggest 2 reasons to explain why the total volume of the mixture was made the same in each trial 咁樣，嗱你見到咧 Y 咧係 keep 住一樣嘅，OK，咁然後咧呢個嘅 NaOH 係唔一樣嘅。如果你水係一樣嘅話咧，其實佢個 total volume 就會唔同啦。咁你個 Y 嘅 volume 咧，即係你個 Y 嘅 volume 就算一樣咧，都唔係令到 Y 嘅 concentration 係 constant 噶嘛。OK，咁所以咧我哋要令到即係點樣 make sure Y 嘅 concentration 係一樣咧？咁我哋就要令到佢個 total volume 係一樣啦，OK？即係佢如果唔係你又要再 adjust 啊嘛，就好麻煩啦。咁所以第一個 reason 就係我哋令到佢，等下好寫啦，咁啊第一個 reason 咧就係令到佢個 concentration of Y 係 constant 啦，OK？To make the to make 呢個啦懶啊，to make Y constant。OK，好啦，咁第二個 reason 咧係啲咩咧？咁就令到，因為其實有陣時佢都問你一個 reason，咁就 to make a fair comparison 咁樣咯。OK，to make it a fair comparison。係啦，令到佢嗰個 comparison 係 fair 啦，咁樣又或者咧，你都可以講咧，即係點解佢個 comparison 會係 fair 咧？因為你而家你想改變一樣嘢啫嘛，即係你淨係想改變個 concentration of NaOH 嗱，H2 其實唔使理嘅，H2 咧用嚟令到佢個 total volume 一樣嘅啫。OK，你而家淨係想改變呢個嘅NaOH 嘅 concentration，咁所以你就令到total volume 一樣，以致佢個令到得 NaOH 嘅 concentration 係 only variable 咁樣咯，OK，好啦，咁跟住第二啦，deduce the order of reaction with respect to OH minus 咁樣啦，咁嘅話咧，嗱佢嘅我哋溫一溫呢個先，嗱如果你大家有印象咧，喺我哋第15課，即係喺 paper one 嘅時候，我哋學過啦，M1V1 等於 M2V2啦，我哋做 dilution 噶嘛，OK，咁而家我哋個final volume 係一樣啊嘛，OK，final volume 係一樣啦。咁所以咧，其實我哋就已經可以將佢個volume 咧，就當係佢個 concentration 嘅，OK，係啦，咁樣咯，因為嗱 M1係 constant 啦，V2又係 constant 啦，好嘅，OK，因為佢本身M1係2.0M 啊嘛，跟住 V2就係 total volume 啦，而家 total volume 都係10個 cm cube 啊嘛，咁所以咧你見到咧，其實 V1同埋 M2咧係 directly proportional 嘅，OK，咁所以你就可以叻嗰個嘅V1，即係佢個 volume as 個 concentration 咁樣去做啦，咁樣，咁我哋咧就睇啦，當我個 volume，我哋睇 trial one 同 trial two 啦。當我個 volume 得翻一半嘅時候咧， 其實佢個 weight 都係低翻一半嘅。咁所以佢咪就係 first order 咯咁樣。OK，咁我哋寫嗰段嘢出嚟啦咁樣。係啦，compare 我哋 consider 啦，consider trial 1 and 2咁樣啦。咁當我個 when the volume of NaOH is half， 轉錯字 is half， 係啦，得翻一半嘅時候呢，佢個 the initial weight also halved is。咁所以呢 therefore the order of reaction with respect to 呢個嘅 OH minus is 1。OK， 咁我哋而家要揾 n 啊嘛，咁所以 n 就要1咁樣啦。OK， 好啦，咁跟住之後呢，第三啦喎 ，deduce the initial weight of disappearance of Y in trial 3。咁嗱，咁我哋就睇啦，嗱，你睇下由1去2就一半啦，個 weight 就一半啦。咁由2去3呢，就係4/3啊嘛。咁個 weight 會係點呢？就應該都係成4/3嘅。OK， 係啦，咁所以呢，我哋就可以計翻啦，就應該係後寫啦，第3，咁就應該係4.36乘10嘅負3次方乘4/3。OK。係啦，因為個 concentration 係跌咗4/3啊嘛，由4變3啊嘛，咁個 weight 佢有 first order 啊嘛，咁所以佢個 weight of disappearance 應該都係乘翻4/3嘅，咁所以3.27乘10嘅負3次方啦。OK， 係啦，咁你可以寫埋個 unit 嘅 mole， 佢俾咗你嘅 mole per dm cube per second。OK， 好啦，跟住第4啦，咁我哋呢就 given 咗個 order m 呢係1嘅。OK， 咁啊第一個啦，咁就問翻你啦，你點樣去到 conduct 一個 experiment and suitable graph 去 confirm 佢係 first order 呢？咁樣嗱，如果 first order 嘅話呢，咁我哋通常就會做即係我哋個 graph 係啲咩呢？通常個 graph 呢，我哋就會睇個 initial weight 啦 against 個 concentration 啦。OK， 就係 straight line passing through the origin 咁樣嘅。OK， 咁即係話呢。其實我哋就要今次我哋咧就要調轉啦，就要令到 NaOH 呢一紮嘅 volume 係一樣，然後依個 volume 轉變，跟住我哋就再睇個 weight， 跟住我哋就再 plot 個 graph 就係個 initial weight against 個 concentration 嘅。OK， 咁所以咧我哋就要 describe 咗個 experiment 先啦。How you can conduct the experiment？ 咁我哋就會 perform 嗱，我哋要 plot graph 咧就要即係要多過兩個嘅。如果唔係嘅話呢，你多過兩個，即係你得兩個，你得2點嘅啫，咁你就唔係一個 graph 嚟嘅。OK，perform more than 2啦，或者 more than 2啦，2 sets of experiment 啦，係啦。咁in each trial 啦，咁樣，咁我哋呢今次呢就用 use the same volume and concentration of NaOH while咁但係呢，今次呢就係 different volume of 0.012 m of Y is used。等先 ，in 係啦，咁樣啦，咁跟住之後呢，就 and then measure keep 記住喎 ，keep the total volume the same by adding different volume of water。跟住頂 measure the initial rate of disappearance of colour。係啦，咁跟住之後呢，就最後呢，我哋就可以 plot a graph of initial rate against volume 啦，用 volume 就得㗎啦，因為個 volume 其實就 represent 咗個concentration of Y 啊嘛，或者 concentration 啦 of Y 咁樣啦。咁然後呢，你會 obtain 到嘅呢，即係應該係 a straight line passing through the origin should be obtained。咁樣啦，OK，係啦，就係咁。咁所以呢個重點呢，應該就係你點樣去perform 個 experiment 啦，呢度點樣去 perform 個 experiment 啦，咁就要係same volume and concentration of any which 啦。咁但係呢，呢個嘅 Y 呢係 different volume 嘅，咁啊記住個 total volume 係要 the same 嘅，係啦，by adding water 啦。咁跟住第二分呢，就係第二分呢，就係個 graph 呢，就應該要係 initial rate against 個 concentration 咁樣嘅。咁最後一分呢，就係你個 result 會係點啦 ？Straight line passing through the origin 咁樣啦。OK，係啦，咁就3分啦。好，咁跟住之後呢，然後最後啦，咁就 state the unit of K 咁樣嘅。OK，咁而家呢個係 first order，呢個係 first order，即係佢個 over order 係 second order 咁樣啦。咁跟住個 rate，我哋睇翻啦，個 rate 嗰個嘅 unit 呢，就係 mole per dm cube per second。呢個呢，就係 mole per dm cube。好多同學都唔識揾佢個unit 啊，咁樣，咁依個嘅 unit 係啲乜嘢呢？咁樣，咁就會係per mole per mole dm cube per second 嘅。OK，咁你可以睇翻呢度，即係你留意翻呢度咁樣啦。OK，咁呢一個 K 個 unit 要係呢個係個答案啦。呢個係係啦，要係呢個 dm cube 咁樣。咁你乘埋一齊，即係你將依個乘埋一齊，嗰個嘅 unit 先會等於依個噶嘛。OK，係啦，就係咁。間漏咗呢度。好，咁就講完啦，呢條係啦。咁可能係第4嘅1嗰度會難啲去寫咁樣，因為3分。但係我覺得應該後面嗰2分都應該有嘅。第1分就多啲嘢要注意咯，即係你要寫得好少少咁樣啦嚇。OK，講完。